So now that we've gone through, verified that the brake light is actually out, and we know it is the third one on the cabinet, we're going to need a 921 button and a Phillips screwdriver or drill. We're going to remove the two screws here, and we can get the bulb out. Now that we've got the two screws removed, you'll grab underneath here and you'll pull the light forward, and it's the bulb here in the middle. So when we remove this bulb, we can see clearly this bulb is burned out. So we're going to be careful and we're going to slowly remove the